Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Cambridge House, California Resource Conference 2013 in Indian Wells, California. With me is Don Mosher of Gold Reach Resources Limited, GRV on the TSX-V. Ladies and gentlemen, let's find out about Gold Reach Resources. Welcome to SNNLive.
Great, thanks for having me on, Shelley.
It's good to have you. So let's talk about Gold Reach. I like that name. It gives you the sensibility as to what you might do. So tell us, what about it?
It's a BC-based company. We've got an exploration project up in northern BC. It sits right outside an existing mine. So because of that, less permitting problems, we've gone in the last couple of years and drilled out a resource, combined resource of over 500,000 tons of about a 0.3 copper equivalent. The resource sits in two deposits. There's the Seal deposit and a new deposit that we've discovered called the Ox. The grades are typical BC grades, running 0.31 to 0.32 combined copper. We've got lots of room for expansion. Currently we've got 5 other targets up there, and the Ox, we just started to drill some holes in it this year, and we've got about 57 million tons already drilled out there.
And the Ox stands for the fact that it's strong as an ox?
I really don't know where the name came from. It's kind of the Seal deposit. It doesn't have fur and it doesn't swim.
Got it. So I know that it's smart to find what you're looking for where somebody has found it before you.
Right.
That is key. Would you comment on that?
Absolutely. And the fact that we've got a mine existing beside us that's got a limited amount of mine life left to it, and it's got a limited amount of tailings room, conceivably in the future is going to end up taking our ore. So we may end up doing a deal with the Huckleberry mines. But regardless of that, all the infrastructure is in place. You've got the roads in, you've got the power in. So if we do come up with a strategic partner out of Asia or somewhere like that, because of the size of the resource even currently, you're going to need a much bigger mill. The mill that Huckleberry has runs about 17,000 tons a day. With a resource currently over half a billion tons and growing, you know, you could be looking at a mill 30 to 45,000 tons a day. But the Huckleberry's got the ability to be expanded. So your cap expenditure is going to be much less than what you'd have if you're off in some remote area without the infrastructure.
So you're actually going to take this to production, aren't you?
We would look for a strategic partner. We really are an exploration company. We're not going to go out there and pretend we're a development company. The company is run by a doctor of geology named Shane Ebert, and our chairman of the board lives in Asia. So Conrad Swanson's got good relationships in Asia. We're headed to the Hong Kong Mines and Money show in 2 weeks, and part of that is to look for strategic partnership.
Ladies and gentlemen, Gold Reach Resources Limited, Don Mosher, symbol GRV on the TSX-V. We need your website.
GoldReachResources.com.
Easy enough. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the Cambridge House, California Resource Conference 2013 here in Indian Wells. Don, pleasure.
Pleasure was all
Good meeting
mine.
you.
Thank you very much.